What is your name? Okay, today we are going to make a salad with the veggies. What is this? Okay, what is this?
Onion.
What is this? What is this? Sweet corn. What is this? What is this? What is this? Coriander leaves. And what is this? Sweet corn. And what is this? This is salt. What color is the salt? What color the salt is? Salt is white. And what color the onion is? What color?
White, pink.
White, pink. What? This is cucumber? Green. And the carrot is orange. And the sweet corn is yellow. And the lemon is, and the coriander leaf is green. And the tomato is red. Okay. Now we will make the salad. First we will cut all the veggies like this. And we will cut the lemon from the middle. Okay. Now take a bowl. Here is the bowl. Now take some. First take some carrot. First take some carrot. Put all the carrot. Put all the carrot inside. Okay. Put all the carrot. Very good. Now put the cucumber. All. Put all the cucumber. First. Now put all the onion. Okay. Now put the tomato slices. Very good. And now put the sweet corn. 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 No, lemon. Put the sweet corn. Okay, okay. Now put the coriander leaves. Okay. Now squeeze the lemon. Hold it and squeeze it with the help of 3 fingers. Squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon. No, use the right hand. Squeeze the lemon like this, this. Use 3 fingers, beta. Like this. Look. Squeeze it. Oh, okay. Now mix it. Okay, add some salt. Add a pinch of salt. And add some black salt for the taste. Sprinkle some black salt. Very good. Now mix it well with the help of a spoon. Yes, mix it. Now our salad is ready to taste. It's serving time and we will taste it. How is the salad? How is it, beta? Tasty? Okay, task completed. Thank you.